Hey guys, so I have this issue with this Xbox One I got. I'm pretty sure there's not much I can do, but this is what I get when I try to connect to the net. So I try to start update, and it's doing what it's doing. So, like you guys saw, I was able to get through the update of the console, but then I go to add a username or a user, and I just get this black screen, and it refreshes. It never goes to that section where you can put in your logging info. And then you have this right here. It says that it's been banned. So something is wrong. Give it another try. It happens again. Visit Xbox with the following error code. So I'm assuming this is a dead console, but if any of you guys know any solutions to this error code and being banned, that would be pretty cool. If not, that's also cool. Hopefully in some weird way this might help someone figure out how to fix this problem.